Hi, I'm John from ProfiAirsoft, and in today's video we're gonna make a review on this FREYA from Delta Armory in official license from Grand Power. Today we're not gonna show you the box because only accessories you get with this gun is the 120 BBs magazine. So the signs are in flip-flop type. It goes like this, and the front stock is like 13 inches long, and it's in this special design, FREYA design. In the middle part of the body it continues with this triangle style, and on the other side is the new stock from Delta Armory, which opens like this with this button, and over here you typically put the battery inside. Here's the connector, the TDIN type, which is good because the others like Tamiya are not that strong to survive a long time with this gun. And now I'm gonna show you the other side of the gun. On the other side of the gun you can see the FREYA name with Slovakian sign, also the Grand Power text with a unique number of this weapon. On the pistol hand grip you get a new type of motor lock or motor open system, which is made from metal. It's much more solid than it was before in previous guns from Delta Armory. And you can also use the bolt catch, which holds you this part of the gun to have better access and easier access to set up the hop-up, and it unlocks over here. And now let's check the inside of the weapon and look what more technical is on it. And now let's measure the power of the gun. Inside we have 0 to BBs. The power is 1.371 joules. And now we're gonna try the full auto. 1574 rounds per minute on 11.1 LiPo battery, so it means it has 3 cells. Now let's look inside the gearbox. It's made of aluminium with some radius over here and here, which makes it more solid. It has also 8mm type bearing in it. And when it comes to the parts, most of them are made of some special plastic, like this one with metal bearing. The spring is like M120. The piston is also from plastic, but it has metal gearing over here. When you try to push on it, it's quite fine, but what's the weak spot is the nozzle. I'm gonna show it in a few seconds. This is metal, this is plastic again. So the nozzle doesn't have the O-ring inside, so we're gonna change it to this one made from aluminum with some sealing inside, and let's try if it's gonna be better. But what's more interesting is the unit over here. Now it has an optical sensor over here, which is measuring where the gear is, this part. I'm gonna show it to you when you connect the battery, but be careful about that because we don't have a motor inside. This lights up and measures where the gear is. And the second upgrade of this Eagle unit is that it measures the trigger position by this magnet. So you can set up the trigger where it is with this screw over here. That you can do even if the gun is completely together. So now we're gonna change the nozzle and check how the power of the gun increase or decrease. And one more thing that I want to tell you is that the motor and most of the inside parts are the same basic as the Alpha series. which makes us a bit unhappy. We expected more from it, but the unit is very unique, and we're gonna show you what it can do. Now I'm gonna show you how to set this new unit, Eagle unit. You first change safe to fire or the semi, it's the same. Now you push the trigger and hold it until you hear the beeping. Now we are ready to go. So we're gonna set up, for example, binary fire. So we are on semi position, we hear two beeping, so that means we are in this case. So we change to full auto and we are over here, down here, and we want to hear two beeps. Now we hear 3 of them, 4 of them, and we can even skip, so I add 2 more. And we are over here on binary and confirm with holding. So the gun is set up and we can try it. So binary, it should fire when I press. Sorry, that was full auto. I press and I release. It works well. So now I'm gonna show you how the power of this gun increase when we change only the nozzle for retro arms 21mm.4. So now it's 1.523. That means we change about increase around 0.15, which is good when it comes to the power. Now I'm gonna tell you the last words about this gun. So in the end, this gun feels really light because of the front grip. So you can go like outside or inside some buildings when it will be a bit shorter, not the 13 inches, but let's say 8 or whatever. The body of the gun is solid. We was just a bit disappointed about the inside parts of it, but when you, for example, change the nozzle, you can increase the power of the gun to some, let's say, standard. So I don't have any more information for you, so we're gonna check this gun at this weekend outside. See you next time.